Medic me. Crossing. Get behind the wall. Hit. Hey,
Whoa. That was aggressive.
Cover, go, go. Go. All right, Joe. Hey, I'm gonna pop smoke.
Pop smoke. Pop smoke. There ain't no smoke. John's already going.
Don't peek it.
On you.
Push it right, push it right.
Cross side.
It looks like a road guard, doesn't work. Battery.
Yeah. Got one. Crossing. You live?
Bro, if you lay down, you could just tap me and help. Thank you, bro. Thank you, thank you.
And get there. You clear?
Looks like this way is clear at least. I see a head poking.
Buddy, clear in there?
Yeah, we're clear.
Coming in.
Clear inside. Clear inside. We got friendlies inside.
Oh, there you go. Okay.
Sorry.
Thank you, good? In that building, across the door.
Hey, Debbie.
Watch your left, watch your left. Ow, fuck. Hold on. Thanks for the wall, let me get him up. Oh, you got him?
No, you got get him.
Yeah.
Yeah, go ahead. Go.
Hit.
Loading.
You guys good? I'm gonna back it up.
You good.
Moving.
I need you guys to come to me if you can. I have the technical.
Back it up.
Back up with it. Coming through.
You medic? Yo, we need to take that hill. Slow, Joe.
Yeah.
You need to take that hill.
Yeah.
All right? That wooden barricade there. Well, I am, but it's going to be a bitch to get to you.
I know there's one up there.
All right, hey, we got guys. Hey, be careful!
I think it was a blue.
Loading!
Wait, those guys?
Oh,
There's no way I didn't hit him. Did you see that?
I didn't see.
So, oh shit, they're still coming down from the boats. Hey guys, down at the boats, they're moving. Hey, moving right, moving right. Moving right from the boats.
He's down, he's down.
That passed my fucking I almost.
All right. Hey, watch. Get down here, get down here. I'm taking fire directly in front. But I got shot from over here. Where you were looking, I got shot from in the back. Someone shot me in the back right here. So we need to go down there.
Yeah, there was one guy up here. I just got down.
Okay.
You want to move down this way?
Yeah.
All right.
But we're gonna move along the road. Just watch your cover, and then we need to branch off. We need to get some guys down there, and we need to get some guys up on top of this hill so they can get some overwatch.
All right, we're gonna push down that way.
Yeah, just be careful.
I got one guy down up on that ridge over there. I don't know if there's gonna be more. Are you ready?
We moving, guys?
Some moving right there.
You're moving that way?
No, you got some moving.
Hold on. Let's. We should spread out though.
Yeah, I'm just gonna go down.
Push down.
Okay. All right. Oh shit! Up top!
Where?
I see him.
See him? Nate! Run! Oh, it's right by Alyssa.
Oh, no, yep.
Stay low, stay low. Oh, hit. No, that's not gonna be the second time. Medic! I need an actual medic. Medic!
Guy behind this wooden barricade.
We're getting shot at.
You were the medic of the year, bro. Oh, you were close. I'd buy you trying to cover so I get him.
Yeah.
Tell me one.
I can't.
Go.
Guys, pushing over the hill.
Loading!
Medic down here, brother.
Right. One just crossed to our right up the hill.
Yeah.
Let them know, Tyler.
Batman! Batman coming up the ridge.
That ridge?
Yeah.
Kevin! Coming up the ridge!
Did you see anything up there?
Hey, you need bodies? Yeah, we need bodies. All right. Oh, me, come on.
Yeah, I've seen two cross up this ridge.
Got one. One down, one up. Let me give a heel. Go ahead. Loading.
Got one.
Tagging! Get down!
I just happened to look over and I'm like, hey, that's not normal.